And we're talking about the importance of relying on the banking institutions to support economic activities in the country. I told them that the Tropical Bank has been very central in business operations in this country, and I know a number of successful businessmen and women who have been supported by Tropical Bank to grow their businesses. And I encouraged them, I welcomed them to work with us to promote the activities of the bank, because without a robust financial base, which is always supported by the banks, it becomes very, very difficult for any country to grow. Every situation in business requires money. Money is the blood of business, and that blood is kept in the heart. It is pumped by the heart. And as far as business is concerned, the heart are the banks, and Tropical Bank is one of the banks. So we shall be very pleased to work with Tropical Bank to support them grow further. I'm looking forward to them supporting our activities, because we are in the center of the country. The market for the country is right here, and we are, I think, able to support the growth of most business entities, in particular banks. These days, many people within the Kingdom of Buganda have grown coffee, and we encourage them to save the money they make from coffee. If Tropical Bank has branches, like it has one in Masaka, where I'm born, you know, those places can be the places to operate banks where people can save their money. And once the bank, you know, receives deposits, it enables the growth of its other operations. So we are very happy to receive the team headed by Mr. Abdulaziz Mansour, and we look forward to further collaboration with them.
Thank you very much. Support the business communities within Buganda. Our focus is on small and medium enterprises, but also looking at people doing trade, agriculture, and the others. So we will be exploring many areas of collaboration. We also have the corporate social responsibility policy. We usually see Buganda participating in different activities, the regional football competition and the others. So we'll be happy to associate with the Buganda government and take it to another level. We also want to assure the public that Tropical Bank is now yet to be fully capitalized, and we are solid, and we'll be able to continue serving the community at large. But we are very excited to collaborate with the Buganda government. Tuli basanyufu nnyo okwanirizibwa olwaleero ku kasozi kano akabulange kya mukisa. Tuli ba mukisa nnyo ate nga tuli basanyufu. Twagala okwasiza awamu ne Buganda government okuwagira okusupportinga abantu abali mu business, abali mu bulimi n'ebirala. Mpozi tulina n'enkola eya corporate social responsibility oba eddiza eri abantu. Tulabye Buganda nga yenyigira mu mirimu egifaanagana ng'egyo egikwatira ddala ku bantu ba wansi. So twagala tubeere nga tukwasiza wamu ne Buganda government okulaba nga tuyambira ddala abantu ba wansi. Tuwaddeko mu mipiira egy'essaza egy'amagombolola egyakaggwa ennaku ezo. Mr. Katambala yaliko wazimba amazzi ago, era Tropical Bank ne tuvaayo ne tusobola okwasiza wamu. So mukowe eryo tuli basanyufu okwasiza wamu ne Buganda government. Tuli confident nti enkolagana eno ejja kutwala ebitongole byombi maaso n'omuntu wa Uganda owa bulijjo. Mpozi n'ekirala tugenda kufuna license okukola Islamic banking. Enkole
agenda okwebuuza banne bebajja temumukuba nnyo naye nga ate nga bali abalala be bawandisa n'ebbaluwa ezigenda okulumba ekyenjojo simanyi mukitegedde